Just like humans, companion animals age. The unexpected happens, or their genetics set them up for challenges down the road. Care is available for pets to live long, pain-free lives, and ensuring their mobility is the vision of Movora. Movora offers solutions for companion animal orthopedics, solutions for the veterinary operating room, and ongoing training for surgeons in the field. Movora is 100% dedicated to veterinary, working to advance the state of companion animal care. At Movora, we believe that we're stronger together. The Movora family of brands came together in 2020, starting with 3 companies rooted in orthopedics, to leverage each other's expertise in pioneering, servicing, and education. Today, Biomedrix, Kion, and veterinary orthopedic implants are just 3 of the many brands that make up Movora. As our family grows, it just reinforces our purpose to ensure that every companion animal lives a long and pain-free life by addressing more patient and customer needs. Today, that purpose unifies Movora in staying 100% committed to unleashing the best veterinary outcomes. Our dedicated employees are the foundation of our company. From a local presence across North America and Europe to a global network at your disposal, your close Movora partners are just a phone call or click away. So the support you require is always at hand, whenever and wherever you need us. Our product development is rooted in customer needs and feedback. We listen and seek to create the future of veterinary orthopedics and surgical solutions together. Through ongoing education, including our immersive, hands-on laboratory courses, we share best practices across our fields of expertise, combining training on technique with innovations in our technologies.
To achieve the best veterinary outcomes, we strongly believe that education and training is most critical to our veterinary professionals.
Education allows surgeons to have consistent quality outcomes and provide their patients with the care that's needed.
Movora does not just provide the tools. We optimize them for your needs and ensure your team is fully equipped with the know-how to put them to use. At Movora, we improve the quality of life and enhance mobility for companion animals. Through our close partnership with veterinary professionals, we provide the technology and expertise needed to unleash the best veterinary outcomes.